Recording? Here we are. What's going on, my tech friends? This is the one only tech. So today we got the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, the phone that has been so anticipated by, Samsung customers, because this phone, as you guys, if you guys don't know, the FE actually sounds for fan edition, which means Samsung has actually listened to what we have to say. They've listened to what their customers have to say, and they've put everything into one phone, and this is it here, the F. So they're calling it the S20 FE, and yeah, I'm so excited for this phone. I'm so pumped because I don't know what to expect. I did a video on the FE. I versed it with the OnePlus 8T, which is not out yet. It's out. It's going to be out in October. But yeah, if you want to check that video out, just click on the link, on the banner or link, whatever it is, the pop-up card, whatever, to go check that video out. But yeah, I can't wait. I'm so excited. Also, I have my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra here as well, because it's a S20 and this is a S20 FE. So we're gonna kind of like compare it, look at it, and see what the difference is or whatever and all that stuff. But yeah, the color of this is the cloud navy blue. So as you can see there, it is the cloud navy, which is pretty cool. Then they didn't, where I got it from, they didn't have it in any other colors, because they're very, very popular. They're like bright colors, they're like boom, pop in the face. But yeah, I've managed to get my hands on the cloudy navy color, which yeah, is gonna be cool. But yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's crack the box open and let's have a look. And just to inform you guys, first of all, the box screams fan edition to us, because like the way they've created the box, they've put like this type of texture on it. And they've got like pictures, gallery, alarm clocks. Like it's been like embedded on the what they call it, on the box. Like box is a big thing for me. It's a white box. It's not too bad, but it's alright. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like kind of like engraved. Yeah, there we go. We've got some trees there. We've got some freaking like some, I don't even know what we got on there, but yeah. Got the S20 logo right there, and yeah, we've got some more of them design, like little touches like this. It's really, really nice. But yeah, anyway, let's crack the box right open. Right. Ooh, we're in. Again, don't really like it when Samsung do this. At least seal the phones with two labels, so you don't have any of this kind of, you know what I'm saying. You guys know how I am with my boxes. Anyway, let's open this. A little bit of experience, right? Oh wow, 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 oh wow, oh wow. Look at that. Literally the same phones. Absolutely amazing. But yeah, anyway. So in the box here we have this. See if I can get it out. Oh, there we go. And we got normal papers, documents from Samsung. We've got the quick start, quick start guide over there. Then you got your warranty card as well, in case you want to warranty your phone or whatever you need to do. It's all there for you. And also we have the SIM tool, the SIM injector tool, which is right there to swap out your SIM card or whatever you're gonna do. Let's put it to the side. Then we got the phone. We got this nice little lift thing up here, which is nice. This little tab kind of thing there to lift the phone up, so it just goes like that. Wow, wow, absolutely amazing. If you guys don't remember, I actually did a Yeah, I did an unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and I did say the camera module on that looked absolutely insane. And I hope the next Galaxy phone, well, the Galaxy S30 or the Galaxy S21, when that comes out, I hope to see the same camera module in that new devices as well. And the fact that they put it in the new FE, which tells me that they're gonna be putting it in the new S21 or the S20 or the S30, which I'm very, very excited for. But yeah, it's got. I'm gonna save this for later. Let's see what's in the box fully, then we'll get to that. But yeah, we got just the normal stuff that you normally get with these Samsung phones. We got the brick, the fast charging brick from Samsung. This is I don't even know how many watts this is, but I mean it's fast charging, so it's pretty cool. Yeah. Also wireless charging as well, which is pretty damn cool as well. And then in here we just gonna pretend I didn't see that. We don't have a freaking earphone jack. Like what? We don't have any earphone jack at all. Like there's no earphone jack in the box. There's no earphones. There's just this charging brick and the USB to micro USB cable. I didn't. There's no freaking headphones. What the hell? Yeah, I've got the USB-C to obviously the normal USB to charge the phone up, but it's a bit crazy that there's no headphone jack. No, I mean headphones. That's a bit, I don't know, that's a bit weird. There's legit no earphones in this. That's a bit weird. How are we supposed to listen to music? I mean, Apple did say they're going to be getting rid of the charging brick and the charging cable to minimize pollution or whatever it is they said they want to minimize. But I mean, if you didn't put the chargers in there, that's calm, but there's no freaking earphones. Like that's a bit I don't even know. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna just compare these two phones quick time, yeah. Wow, you can see the difference. Have a look at that. You can see the difference. Wow. That is just absolutely jaw-dropping. Looks amazing. It looks so freaking cool. Wow. It's like the perfect size as well for the fan edition. Like, let's feel it. Let's do it. Whew. Oh my god. Oh no, it can't be at the front. No, you can't. Like this comes with the screen protector already built in from Samsung, which is cool. I like the fact that they're putting in they're putting in an effort to actually protect the device for when we buy it. With the S20 Ultra, I had the same thing as well. I had the screen, the screen protector on there as well. It's not glass. It's just films, like it prevents it from scratches or anything like that. But obviously you can take it off. But personally, I like to put it on because of my job, and yeah, I don't really like to have scratches or whatever on the screen, especially when you're gonna resell the phone as well. It's very important. Anyway, let's talk about the device, the back. Wow, the color is, I don't know, it's something different. It's something different. I mean, like I said in the video that I did about the FE, the back isn't actually made out of glass. It's made out of this polyfiber or polycarbonate or whatever it is, I don't know, but it's made out of the same material as the Note 20 Ultra was made out of, which, yeah, it saves them money and, you know, it keeps the cost down basically. But yeah, it's a nice feeling phone. It's got this matte finish on it, which is freaking cool. That nice matte navy blue just looks absolutely amazing. Like it feels like, I don't know, it doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like a high-end phone from Samsung, if I'm honest with you. So yeah, if you actually want to get one of these, I say go ahead and get it because it doesn't feel cheap like every single budget phone that big brands out there make. It actually feels kind of sturdy and kind of, you know, strong and kind of like it feels high end. That's what I'm trying to say here. It feels really high end. But yeah, we got the camera module which is up there, which looks absolutely fantastic. Like I said, they brought the Note 20 Ultra module design onto this phone, and it looks absolutely amazing. And then yeah, we've got the camera module. We've got 3 cameras there. I'm guessing one is the wide angle, and then the normal lens, and then the zoom lens as well, which is pretty cool. And then you just have a nice simple Samsung logo just right there, which is pretty cool. And then moving on to the top of the device, we have the SIM tray section there. Got the SIM, and then we got the top mic there as well. And then the bottom of the device, we have obviously, of course, the mic, the female input for charging the device or listening to music, and we have the speaker grills on the side there as well. And then on this side we have the lock button and the volume up and down. And then on this side it's just plain beautiful. I like how the phone looks minimal. It looks minimal, but I like the way it looks. And then I like the way they've kind of made the colors, as in the black frame, unlike the S20 Ultra. You see the silver frame, and then this one with the black frame. I kind of like that, the black frame, and then with the blue on top of there, it gives a kind of like a nice color. Like it almost feels like the color like kind of shifts. So if you look at the black frame, it's like the blue kind of like accents, and then it's got like this kind of shine to it, which also making the black frame look almost as it's blue as well, but it's actually black. But yeah, it's nice. And you don't have to worry about fingerprint, because this thing is not a fingerprint magnet at all. I'm literally putting my fingerprint on it. Literally, it's not a fingerprint magnet at all. Literally, all you get is just the tiny smudge, legit, and that's it. But yeah, not a fingerprint magnet. You just give it a little wipe, boom, everything is gone. The smudge is gone and everything is gone. But yeah, let's power this bad boy up real quick. And also, you can see over there, Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. Yeah, this is the 5G model as well. You got the 4G model and obviously the 5G model as well. And this is the 5G model, which is pretty damn cool. And also, I just want to point something out. The webcam, well, the selfie camera, is slightly lower than the S20 Ultra. Or is it the same? I think it's probably the same. Look at that. It's slightly kind of like lower, but I'm not too sure. I'm not 100% too sure. And also, I've just noticed the screen ratio on this is not really the best. It's not really pretty. It kind of reminds me of what's it called? I think it's what's it called? It reminds me of the iPhone XR, like the screen, the body ratio. No, I mean the bezel ratio was just insanely small. As you can see there, it's too tight. They should have at least brought it a little bit further out, like the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, which is over there. But yeah, let's just set the phone up and just have a little browse through and see what's going on. Just set it all up and it's going absolutely insane. But yeah, this is what we welcome with. Look at the wallpaper. Let me take this film off so we can have a look and see. Whew, how satisfying is that? How satisfying is that? Let me just give it a little clean. Wow. I mean, it's not bad. It's not a bad looking phone. I mean, I know I said it doesn't look budget, but if you look closely at the phone, it kind of does look a little bit budget. But to be honest with you, for the price you pay for it, I mean, you can't complain. You genuinely cannot complain. You're getting a Samsung Galaxy phone, S20 lights, with the S20 series and the S20 lineup, and you can't really complain. As it's a flagship phone, you can't complain about how it looks. It just looks absolutely amazing. I mean, I've just been trying to set this phone up, and wow, I'm holding this phone and I'm holding the Galaxy S20 Ultra, and I'm like, wow. I feel this is a big phone. Trust me, it's a big phone. Look at the size difference. I mean, it's a little bit just It's just a tiny little bit bigger than the FE, but it's a big phone. But my hands are big, and using this phone, there's a fear of you dropping it because of the glass back, and it's quite slippery. But with this, yes, it's a small phone, but even if it was big as well, because of this matte kind of finishing in the back, it gives them more of like a solid grip. You're holding it, you feel like, you know what, it's not gonna go anywhere. But yeah, look at that, absolutely stunning device, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, same thing you always get with a Samsung phone, same display, everything. But yeah, I'm very, very happy with it. It looks absolutely sexy, like legit looks. It look what they call spectacular. Pepsi. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed that video. It's been an absolute pleasure making that video for you guys. Obviously, starting from when this phone actually started, the leaks, everything, and obviously coming to actually see the device in person, it looks absolutely amazing. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, please don't forget to smash that like button. Also, share the video, like the video, subscribe, and yeah, trying to get this channel to 5,000 subscribers. So help me out and show the video, and yeah, let's get it up there, because you know what? Yeah, it's all good. Anyway, guys, without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.